Welcome to Tech Nest, where we explore the latest tech, test real performance, and simplify specs so you can make smarter tech choices. Today we're taking a close look at the NZXT H9 Flow RGB 2025, a large dual-chamber ATX mid-tower PC case designed for maximum airflow, massive cooling support, and a stunning RGB showcase. If you've been searching for a high airflow RGB PC case, wondering if the NZXT H9 Flow RGB Plus is worth it, or comparing it to other premium cases in the same price range, this breakdown will help you understand exactly what the numbers mean in real-world PC builds. By the way, I've added a link below where you can check the latest pricing and availability. Right away, the H9 Flow RGB Plus stands out with its dual-chamber design, which separates your power supply and cables from the main components. In practical terms, this means cleaner airflow paths, easier cable management, and a build that looks extremely clean through the tempered glass panels. This case is built to support ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX motherboards, so it works with most gaming PC setups. Now let's talk cooling, because that's where the numbers really shine. This case includes 7 pre-installed RGB fans right out of the box, 6 large 140mm fans, and one 120mm fan, all connected through an included RGB control hub. Larger 140mm fans move more air at lower RPMs compared to smaller fans, which means better cooling performance while keeping noise levels lower during gaming sessions or heavy workloads what does that translate to in everyday performance? With 7 fans moving air through the case simultaneously, you get strong front-to-back airflow that keeps your CPU, GPU, and VRM temperature stable, especially when running high-end hardware like RTX-class graphics cards or powerful multi-core processors. For gamers and creators pushing their systems for hours, this airflow design helps maintain consistent performance. Cooling flexibility is another big highlight. The NZXT H9 Flow RGB Plus supports radiators up to 420mm, which is one of the largest radiator sizes available for consumer PC cases. That means you can install large AIO liquid coolers or even custom water cooling loops for extreme CPU cooling. In practical terms, a 420mm radiator provides a huge surface area for heat dissipation, which can help maintain lower CPU temperatures during intense gaming or rendering workloads. Another modern feature is that this case is back connect ready. If you're using newer motherboards with rear-facing connectors, you can route most of your cables behind the motherboard tray. That means fewer visible cables, cleaner airflow, and a professional-looking build that's perfect for showcase setups. Of course, aesthetics matter too. The H9 Flow RGB Plus uses large panoramic tempered glass panels that show off your GPU, motherboard, and RGB lighting from multiple angles. Combined with those 7 RGB fans, you get a vibrant lighting display that can be customized through the included hub and compatible lighting software. This one of the best airflow PC cases in its category right now. When you consider the 7 included RGB fans, massive radiator support, dual-chamber layout, and modern cable management design, the H9 Flow RGB Plus positions itself as a premium choice for builders who want strong cooling and a clean visual setup without needing to buy extra fans. If this breakdown is helping you, hit like so more people can find it. For builders planning a high-performance gaming rig, streaming setup, or workstation PC, the NZXT H9 Flow RGB 2025 delivers a combination of high airflow, modern motherboard compatibility, massive cooling support, and striking RGB visuals that can elevate both performance and aesthetics in your next PC build. Thanks for watching Tech Nest. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.